Sagwa grabbed the blanket like this. That was really rude. Then he called me a fraidy cat.
Oh, being careful when you don't know about something doesn't mean you're a fraidy cat.
Oh. Yeah. But what happened if the lantern went out?
Oh, not much for us cats. We can see really well in the dark. Now humans on the other paw, they go, "Hey, who put out the lights? Where am I? I can't see a thing. What's that? A stair." Now who's a fraidy cat?
Not me.
You see, sometimes when you're frightened, it turns out the scary thing was just something silly, like a stair.
Yeah, something silly like the Gwai Miao.
What was that, Sagwa?
Nothing. Do that funny walk again.
One on, Sagwa.
That's it. I give up. You won, wind, and I'll just wait for you to blow over. Great bats in the belfry. It's uncomfortable all upside down like this. Much better. Rock-a-bye Batty and his deep cave.
The Gwai Miao! What? Where? The ghost cat.
Why?
First sign. Rattling shutters. Gwai Miao. Ghost cat. Gwai Miao.
Oh, Sagwa, go to sleep.
Now, Sagwa. There are no ghosts here. You've just had a bad dream.
And when the wind blows...
It wasn't a dream, Sagwa. I heard Yaya tell Mama and Bob about the ghost cat. The Gwai.
Oh, Sagwa, that's just one of Yaya's old spooky fables.
And the Gwai Miao is invisible. It can be anywhere. The second sign is when you see its shadow, and...
If the Gwai Miao is invisible, how can it make a shadow?
Oh, yeah. How could it? The shadow of the Gwai Miao!
Sagwa, I just told you there is no Gwai.
Meow!
Now there are two fraidy cats.
Dongwa, cut it out. She's really scared.
Oh, come on. I was only joking around.
Still not comfy. Now, if I wrap this swing like this...
Third sign. The lantern's gone out. Gwai Miao's
It's got me! The ghost cat got me! Gwai Miao's got me!
Hang on, Sagwa!
Off of me! Ghost cat! Gwai Miao!
It's just a lantern, Dongwa. It's not Gwai Miao.
I helped save Dongwa from a ferocious paper lantern.
What's that?
It's only Foo-Foo.
Only Foo-Foo? Well, I'm sorry to be so much of a disappointment.
Hi, Foo-Foo. Good night, Foo-Foo.
That's what we all need. A good night's sleep.
Oh, Donghua. You were so scared.
I wasn't scared. Just a little startled. That's all.
It's like Yaya said. Sometimes what scares you turns out to be something silly, like a lantern or Foo-Foo.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm a bat. I don't sleep at night. And I'm not something silly.
Shigwa, I'm sorry for scaring you and calling you a fraidy cat.
That's okay, Donghua.
Oh. Well, maybe I'll give this weird sleeping at night thing a whirl. But I'm not sleepy. Got any good bedtime stories?
I heard a good one from Yaya tonight. You see, there's this
Good night,
guy.
everybody.
Such a fraidy cat.